I haven't been posting a lot to this account, and I'm gonna tell you why today. In this video, I just wanna go over some things that have been going on in my life lately and give you a bit of a life update and tell you the truth about where I've been and why I haven't posted to this account as much as I would like to. I gotta tell you a little bit of the truth about what's going on in my head with content creation, which is going super well. Then I can't believe the reaction I've gotten on Heated Rivalry reactions, pun intended, on my other YouTube channel, which is just been an incredible journey, but that has kept me super busy. You should go check that out. And honestly, the deal that I've had with Instagram for the last year has been so it's been frustrating, but every step of the way, I think I am closer to getting back on their good graces. So I'll give you a little bit more detail on that, and then I would love to know what's in the future for this channel by getting you guys' opinion, as well as letting you know what I think is best for this channel going forward. With that being said, let's dive into this thing and talk about what's been going on. You may or may not know this, but Twitch is the reason I started this whole thing. Twitch was the thing that was my goal, the thing that I was chasing was to be a Twitch partner. Well, I've done that recently, and December and January were like incredible. I had so much momentum in December. I did 2 partner streams on the front page and my regular front page stream. So I did a front page stream and then 2 streams where I partnered with Where Winds Meet and I partnered with Marvel Rivals to be shown on the front page of Twitch, which got me a lot of momentum. And I've been sort of riding that wave and streaming a lot on Twitch. That's taking up a lot of my time, and it's really exciting. It's a dream that I've been chasing for like 4 years, and I hit it last year to become a Twitch partner. Oh my God, it is cold right now. The draft that's coming out of this vent is insane. Anyway, Twitch has been going real well. That's taking up a ton of my time, so my energy's going there in a big way. I've been using that platform, the ways I genuinely monetize my job, this content creation thing I've been doing. So, you know, to have it be my dream, and also one of the key elements of paying the bills has been sort of like a fever dream. That's a big part of it. It's either the draft or this crop top. Shout out to RP Strength. By the way, I am an ambassador for them again here in 2026. So be sure to check out the links below so you can get a nice hefty discount on the diet app and the Hypertrophy app. I'm gonna go put a sweater on. Okay, let's try this again. I was shivering. Some of you know, some of you don't know, but my Instagram was disabled last year. A charge that I did not expect nor thought I ever committed or whatever, but I violated community guidelines and my account was disabled. I got it back in August, and ever since August, my engagement has been awful, yeah? So I've been wondering, okay, what's going on? Turns out my account was being limited on its reach and not being shown to non-followers. I have been working diligently to sort of fix my account, scrub my account, and make it so that I am not violating any more community guidelines, and I keep Instagram safe. And I did wrongfully do that, and I'm trying to right my wrongs. So just a little bit of honesty. That's taking up a lot of my time, and that's kind of got my head wrapped up in content. So great segue into what this video is really about is, what do you guys want to see on this channel? What can I bring? Do you want to see some value? You guys, I want to give you something to wrap yourselves around. And I want to do that for my other platforms as well, like Instagram and YouTube Shorts, and even on Twitch. I've tried my best to do that by, you know, sharing my fitness knowledge with you guys. So just how I want to do it on Instagram, and I'm trying to fix that and make that right. I'm also trying to consider what do I want, sort of my ecosystem, my network of like-minded people to be into. What am I into? What's some cool stuff that I care about? That's what I want to know. So can you guys do me a favor and put in the comments below what you would like out of this YouTube channel? This would be a big deal to me. This would be a big help to me, not just from the perspective of how can I please you guys, all you subscribers, but how can I do something that's worth it for all of us, right? Something I get to talk about passionately, which is fitness, and what do you guys? And of course, it helps the algorithm. Thanks guys, drop a comment below. Please let me know what you would like to see in this channel. So then, of course, what am I alluding to? What am I saying? Sort of I've already sort of put that out there. In fact, you can see the weight rack behind me there. Fitness content is something I'm really passionate about. I care a lot about giving you people the right information, or at least the information that I know. I want to be informative. I want to be passionate about being informative because I like informative content. It keeps me up to date and make sure that I push out the right information. I don't want to be some sort of charlatan. I want to give you knowledgeable, up-to-date things and be a source of information for you guys, because I think that that's evergreen and can be long-lasting. So I would love to do some gym content. I would love to do some tutorials of the gym. I would love to do some live sessions at the gym, maybe, if that's something you guys are interested to. I do that on Twitch, so if you want to see me work out live, go check out my Twitch. It's BROTERO TV. And I also want to do some day in the life vlogs. Like, you know, if I go on an adventure, you want to see that vlogged, I would like to vlog it. That would be super cool. I've got ideas for trips and places to go, like Tulum, the Grand Canyon. I'm going on a trip at the end of the month up the East Coast. Vlogging some of those moments would be really cool. I've tried to do some vlogging content before. Go check that out at conventions and things like that. Like I have one out for SuperCon that I did last year, so check out that video somewhere here, I'm sure. So yeah, those are my kind of like thoughts for this channel. Do you appreciate me as a creator and you want to see like my day in the life more, or would you want to see like more gym stuff? I don't want to just combine it all completely. I'm not sure if the algorithm likes that I combine those things or if I should just stick to fitness content, but please let me know. Leave me that comment, and I would love to hear from you guys. So thank you for doing that. Some final thoughts. A lot of you have been asking me for an update on my tirzepatide. I am gonna film that, and I'm gonna give you guys an update on what's been going on ever since I came off of the GLP-2 tirzepatide, or as some might call it, Zepbound. I had sort of abandoned that series because there was a lot going on at the time with conventions and travel, but I can tell you that it was a good experience, and I hope to share a lot of that on a separate video just to give that its own time and place. With that being said, I'm also gonna drop a new video on my next workout cycle and give you an update on what's been going on with my testosterone, because your boy's been basically natty for the last month. By the time you see the next video and that you see this video, I will no longer be natty, but we'll talk about that in another video as well. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. This is kind of a day in the life, giving you an update of what's going on with my life. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel if you don't already, and hit me with a freaking awesome comment. You're all amazing. My name is Andres, but you can call me bro. And until next time, peace.